Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a favorite to your favorites on the Windy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on so click anywhere on your map after selecting your country or any area that you are interested in, and then all you have to do is clicking on the heart icon in the upper right corner of the screen, and you have two options here: add to favorites or alert for this spot. So click on the first one, thereby adding it to your favorites. So if you click on the heart icon in the right side of the screen down below, then you are going to find your favorites here at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.